Hi everyone, this is Chris. Thank you for joining me. In today's video, we're going to be making some Easter boxes. And it's absolutely gorgeous. It's easy to make. It's fast. You don't need a lot of materials. You don't even need a lot of paper. It's really fun to do. You don't have to do this only for Easter. You could take this idea for any occasions of the year. You could use this to put other kinds of gifts if you want to inside. You could put some acetate to make a closed window. These are opened. It's just a few little, something nice just I wanted to do for Christmas. This idea is not from me. It is from an English lady that is absolutely lovely. I will put the link down below to where you can find her channel, and she does a lot of boxes. She's doing beautiful stuff with really gorgeous and easy measurements in metrics and in empire measurements as well. So this is how it looks like from close. Really nice. There's 3 little windows I have done here. This one as well is exactly the same, but I've done it in pink, and of course I did a yellow wild honey, yellowish orangey color. It's super easy, and you can put quite a lot of candies in here. So with no further ado, let's get started. So what you will need for this is just a strip of paper that is 11 inches by 3.5, which is in centimeters, 28 by 9. I will give you both measurements. So first we're going to take it this way. So mine here is just one-sided. You can use double-sided paper. I would recommend when you're making boxes to use a paper that is quite stiff or thick so it holds its shape. That's really important. So first we're going to use the strip of paper the hamburger way. So we're going to do a first scoring mark at 1/2 inch. Then second 1.25 inches. Then it's going to be 9 inches and 3/4. 9 3/4, and then it's going to be 10.5. And that's good. Now we're going to take the hot dog way. You're going to score at 3/4 inch, 1.5, 2.25, and 3 inches. So this part here is going to be a little narrower than this part. This is where we're going to put the glue. So now the measurements in centimeters. This way, you're going to score at 1 centimeter, 3 centimeters, 25 centimeters, 27. This way, you're going to score at 2, 4, 6, and 8 centimeters. It's very easy. Now with the scoring, it's done. What you can do, if you want to, like in my example, is that I have done openings. So in the first example, I don't have a die that is narrow enough to go inside here. Maybe I didn't really look too much into it, but it was too big and it was coming on the sides too much. The opening was big, and when I put the candy, it was going even bigger. It was not a good tool. So I decided to use some smaller ones, and I've put them, I spaced them. I didn't do a very good job here. You can see the space is bigger, but that's okay. You can try that. Or what you can do if you don't have the right size, you can just do it yourself. So I'm going to do the opening. So you're going to do the cutting, if you want to, in the middle. So if you have the small side on your right, it's going to be 1, 2, 3. You're going to do it there. That's going to be the good part of your box. And I'm going to do my first cut here. Let's say I'm going to do it here. You can do it the length you want. Don't do it too big. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And cut. And that's enough. Now we're going to do all the folding. Oh, and by the way, talking about folding, when I did, you're probably going to see this here. Oh, I forgot to put my light. I'm sorry. There's a lack of light on this part. There you go. Okay, so I've used my scoring tool. I pushed too hard and I ripped the paper apart. So be careful with that. Now it's time to fold. If you need to, you can use a bone folder to really crease everything pretty well. And again, I will put the link of this lady where I found the video in the description bar below, because I really want to give her credit for this. I saw this video, I think maybe 3 or 4 years ago, and I thought it was a great idea. I've never done it. Okay, so that's it. So now we're going to put the glue on that side, like I said, the small side here. I'm going to use just a regular ATG double-sided tape. And get close to the scoring mark. It holds the box in shape better. All right. And now to fold it, it's super easy, just like so. And there you go, you've got your little box already. So now on one side, what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna start by that side. That's where you have your opening. You push with your fingers, and then you're going to put your staple. You can put something else if you want to. I think the staple is better. It holds things in place much better. Just in here. You can hide it if you wish by putting an embellishment. And now you're going to put your candies. So I don't have chocolates right now. So I'm just putting all these pieces like so. I'm going to push them. They're great candies. I love these. I don't know if you have them. They're a little sour. So that's going to be fine. And now you're going to do the same thing on this side here and shut it close. All right. I'm sure you will find the proper chocolate to fit here. So this is 2 centimeters, which is in inches, it's 3/4 of an inch. All right, now we're gonna do the embellishment. In the same paper, I have cut out a tag and also a smaller tag to go inside that I'm going to ink up a little bit. So I'm going to use Wild Honey Distress ink, and I'm going to color around here just to make it pop out a little bit. I love these little daubers. You can find them on AliExpress. They're really cheap. You can buy them, I think it comes by 50 if I'm not wrong. And they're so cheap. And I'm going to glue this down onto my tag. All right, and then I'm going to stamp. I have a little bunny here. All right, that's perfect. I'm going to make a little hole. And yep, I'm gonna make it here. All right, and then I'm gonna use another yellow. I think I like this one. Just cutting a little piece. And I'm going to use some paper flowers. Make a knot. All right, I'm going to trim off the excess. I have some yellow flowers. I usually buy the flowers white and then I spray them. I use alcohol spray that I do myself actually with a little bit of acrylic color and alcohol, rubbing alcohol, and I can do any kind of color I want. So it's going to spice it up. So I'm going to put the flowers around here. I think I'm going to use 2 again. A dab of glue. More glue on the sides here to put my 2 flowers. Just like so. And And there you have it. You know what? I think it lacks a little bit of the same color. I'm going to add a little bit more. I'm going to let this dry first, and then I'm going to add a little bit more of this wild honey. Yes, it needs that little something. Yeah, my flowers are much better now. And there you go, it's done. It was really made in minutes. I'm going to show you the other ones that I have made also in the same manner. So you can do this, of course, also in purple and really light colors usually. I love this shape. I love the fact that you can put quite a lot of candies inside here. If you want to, you don't have to do this only for Easter. You could do this also for maybe a birthday. You could put maybe a bracelet in here. You could change it to put a pen. Why not if you want to offer a pen for somebody for a birthday? So you can change the seam, you can change the colors. You can do this, of course, for a man also, doing more in maybe brownish colors or black and white. That would be gorgeous. But as for Easter, I think this color is just perfect. These colors are just perfect. So last time I didn't show you with the chocolates. I have found chocolates in my local store, grocery store, and they fit perfectly. Also, I have some pink ones and purple ones, so you can put candies, wrapped candies, you can put chocolates inside here. It's gonna fit most of the sizes, so I just wanted to show you that you can fit your own chocolates in here as well. So please give me some thumbs up. Go and check down the link below to see this lovely lady's channel if you want to learn how to make boxes. She's absolutely wonderful. And also please also subscribe to this channel, hit the bell button, and share on social medias. Thank you so much, everyone. Take care and see you soon.